Welcome back. I'm Salon Diva V in the place to be, y'all. My garden. So, we are going to be doing a real quick video. So, we are going to be putting these potatoes right there, maybe, sort of. So, I planted the red potatoes in the last video right in this section. So, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here and put, let me see, maybe if I do it like this, not to mess with those two over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to, let me grab this one over here, make it easier for myself. How y'all doing today? We're gonna plant him deep, just like that. I'm not cutting nothing, just like that. And then we're gonna make some room right here for the other one. And then we're gonna go over there and harvest this cauliflower. My first cauliflower, y'all. So that is the potato right there. Let's smooth that down just a little bit. All right, gotta make sure I label that. All right, so that's the potatoes. Y'all, let me, oh look, all them seeds. And guess what? That bee, y'all see that bee right? Where is that? Did it move? Oh, nope, that's a wasp over there. Y'all see that wasp? Right there. There was a bee over there. Oh, he flying. Where is he? Where did he go? He's still right there. Right there. Right there. So, we got the bees pollinating the pak choy. All right. So, we're going to... It done got bigger. Ooh-wee. But guess what? I don't know if I should take the whole thing or not. Okay. I guess I should take the whole piece. I'm gonna just take the whole piece. Yeah, because I don't know what else to do. So, hold on. So I took the whole, what's the name of it? Cauliflower head. I don't know if cauliflower is like broccoli, if it grow back or not, but it's my first cauliflower. Yeah. You see, this look like something. Oh, okay. Just wanted to make sure nothing was growing up in there. All right, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna bring this inside so the hubby can eat this. Oh, cilantro. Is it, or is it parsley? Child, I don't even know. Let me take a piece and smell it. Oh, that's cilantro in the backyard. Whoop, whoop. All right. So, that's it for this video. I just wanted you guys to see my first piece of cauliflower that I harvested. All right, y'all. I'm Salon Diva V in the place to be. My garden. And I'm signing out. I will catch y'all, see y'all in the next video. Share me with your family and your friends. Check me out on my other social media sites. And until I see you guys in the next video, you know what it is. Peace.